What is the best tool for Mosaic artist? Hello, Milan here, and in this video I'm going to show you what was my best investment for tool in making Mosaic. That tool for sure is a Mosaic chopping machine. A lot of you asked me for this machine, but not only that making machine is expensive, but also shipping cost is high because weight of machine is around 30 kilograms. And I think if you would have a project of this machine, you will be able to make it in your city. So if you would like to make machine like this and to avoid shipping cost ordering from other countries, I'm going to send you a PDF project for free. To get this free project, click on the link in the description of this video. But let's open our machine to see how it works. Okay, here we are. We can see that construction is quite simple. Simple, but need to be done in a high precision. Once again, to download your free PDF project, click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.